we have been given the rights to premiere an original operatic adaptation of Norman Maclean's beloved A River Runs Through It, on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the novella.
American music has begun to speak much more to our stories that are regional or national.
A River Runs Through It really is the unofficial state novel of Montana, and so what better story to tell on our opera stage than this one?
Places like Opera Montana become a spring, a watershed that can come out and impact the culture at large. There's this kind of hope that when the lights go up, that audience that we've been excited to meet for the past 2 years, whether they have never been to Montana, have no idea what fly fishing is, or they've spent hours in a river, or maybe if they just know Brad Pitt, anywhere in between that, that they can have a meaningful experience, and that the words, the music, the performers, and the images they see will be transportative and transformative.
In September of 2026, we will be premiering A River Runs Through It at the Ellen Theater in Bozeman, Montana. This is Opera Montana's watershed moment. Let's all write our next chapter.